This has kind of always been a dream of ours. Everything changed during COVID, and here we are.
Where does the nickname come from?
The story is, we don't know if it's true, but when George Washington was marching through South Carolina, he said that there were people there that were so poor that they were eating sand, and he called them Sandlappers, and through the years, we decided to kind of take that term and make it a positive one, and so we kind of embraced it, and now we're Sandlappers.
Well, so I assume you're not serving sand, so...
Not serving sand, no. Just gonna be serving all kind of different southern foods, some fried chicken and pulled pork and sandwiches and grits, hopefully to, you know, convince everybody that grits is a really good southern meal instead of just that, you know, kind of thing on the buffet that nobody eats. But it's a little bit terrifying. This is kind of a new phase in life, but we're excited about it. We're excited to get started, get rolling, and being able to kind of share what we love with all of our friends and family, and hopefully a lot of people that want to pay us for that food. One Fat Frog's been amazing. We started looking into trucks several months before we even came in here, and just happened upon One Fat Frog, I think just Googling or on a Facebook search or something like that, and I said, well, I'll just go in and talk to them. We were kind of comparing a truck versus a brick and mortar place, and realized that brick and mortar was just going to be way more of an investment that we were able to do at the time, and so came in and saw the warehouse and saw the prices, and talked with the team about, you know, that you guys walk us through the whole licensing process and everything like that, and that there's still a community afterwards support. This process has been so just seamless. The plan review and the licensing, if I had to do that on my own, I think I would have probably given up. So being able to work with One Fat Frog was just a huge blessing, and has made this so much less stressful than it would have been otherwise.
And cut.
Just getting the truck and the feel of it and everything and the mobility of it, I'm not sure that we'll ever go brick and mortar. I like the idea of being able to kind of go where the customers are and share our food with a different client base rather than making them come to us. So I think this might be it for us.